Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Zoom.com, and Zoom is now updated with AI tools and other elements that will allow you to deliver an online meeting or an online webinar. Zoom is a paid application, and you will see that there are a number of applications that you may want outside of the free version. The pricing plan that you see on your screen is as a recording of this video, but you can see the scale between all of the plans that are available. One of the things that you will want to be aware of is that when you purchase a meeting plan, this does not include a webinar plan. If you want a webinar plan, you will need to add it onto a pro plan or a business plan. Now, the webinar plan does have slightly different features, and you may opt to have a webinar plan if you have a number more attendees. And you will be able to look at this plan according to the subscription that you want. But it's quite possible that you may want to start by looking at the free plan to determine if Zoom is an element that can fit inside of your business. Now, for the sake of this course, we will be looking at a meeting plan in addition to a webinar plan added to it. And so there will be some features that you may not see if you are using the free plan. And when possible, this will be noted. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.